Anyway, so now the question number 2 that I want to answer, this is for Tod H at LugNutz HotRod Garage. Show the first kit that I ever built on YouTube. Now, I don't have that kit on me, but this is what it is right here. It was a my first video was a 1970 Boss Mustang Ford 2.9. I don't remember what manufacturer it was, but if I'm not mistaken, I think it was a rebuild, because a lot of kits, a couple kits that I started first were rebuilds, and that was a pretty simple one. I don't even have it to show, but and it was a rough video to watch, because I look back, I'm like, oh my gosh, and I'm like, I see why you're supposed to excuse me, look at your videos that you made so that you can go back and make it better. So it's like, wait a minute, because the main thing I realize now, when I watch this video, a lot of them like, oh, no wonder why. And that first video still has 56 views. That's a 10-year video. That's hilarious. At the same time,
I was like, what?
But no, that's because I never went back to try to make them better. Nobody had a reason to go back. Let me go look. Nah, they were, and then everything that I was doing at the time was just at the time. Anyway, but yeah, that's what that video is now. Do I still have my first model kit that I ever built? I sure do.